Hello, thanks for joining me on a familiar route going to Tagaytay, but this time with a breakfast stopover. The Cubi Café. Leaving Balayan, giving a breakfast for my bike, yummy gasoline, going back on the highway, going east towards Batangas City, encountering the usual traffic, scooters, tricycles, and huge trucks. But not for long, I had to leave the highway to enter the beautiful back roads going into the mountain. Fantasy World is not far, but before that I can chase tricycles, more tricycles, scooters, curves, all in sports mode to chase down also cars. Another car, plus scooters and a small delivery unit. Passing Fantasy World, nobody's here, maybe due to the early morning time, and it's a regular work day, so people are not occupied with riding their bikes. Cubi Café is near. There we are. Looking for a nice parking place in the shadows. Done. On the far left you see the Taal Lake and the volcano. The building on the right is the top of a high-rise building with condos from Kenyan Woods. Here my new riding boots. Aren't they cute? They also got another one for my left foot. Amazing, right? And here comes my coffee, my cappuccino. Looks a bit as if it comes from the volcano. And my tosilog, which is tocino, a fried egg, fried rice. My coffee volcano shrunk a bit, and it shrunk more. And more. And so did my food. It was really delicious. Almost nothing left in the volcano, and here it's empty, so we are all safe. Paying and packing up and going back on the road. Here I'm already far away when a group of Harley owners overtook me. It says HOG. I looked it up, and HOG stands for Harley Owners Group from Manila Chapter, a local community for Harley-Davidson enthusiasts in the Philippines. They operate under Harley-Davidson of Manila. It says they won an award, the Harley-Davidson Asia Chapter of the Year Grand Champion Award for 2022 and 2023 against 50 other chapters in the region. They operate 2 locations, BGC and Green Hills. And they have their own Facebook page. The last member disappeared in the distance, and I cruised home completely happy with my tour and day. This is how it has to be after a great breakfast, great views, a great ride, and sunshine on the road and in my heart. and it's good to be back home.